Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal from scratch, only way. Start by measuring oats and liquid precisely, using a 1:2 ratio for creaminess. Choose rolled oats for quick cooking or steel cut for chewy texture and longer simmering. Add a pinch of salt early to lift flavors, and decide on milk or water for cream level. Stir gently and keep heat low for even cooking and texture control. Warm the pot slowly and bring your chosen liquid to a gentle boil before adding oats to avoid foam and overflow. After adding oats, reduce to a low simmer and stir occasionally to prevent sticking and to create a smooth texture. Keep the lid tilted to monitor steam and texture, adjusting heat if needed. Taste near the end and remove from heat when oats reach your preferred creaminess and chew. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple cooking tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that actually last, with a lifetime warranty, perfect for those leisurely oatmeal mornings when you linger over your bowl. I find them cozy and worth it, and they make cold kitchen floors tolerable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the oatmeal is cooked, sweeten to taste with honey, maple syrup, or brown sugar so sweetness stays balanced. Stir in crunchy elements like nuts or seeds, or swirl in nut butter for protein and richness. Fresh fruit adds brightness and freshness, while dried fruit gives concentrated sweetness and chew. Finish with a pinch of cinnamon or a splash of milk for a cozy, restaurant-style bowl you can customize every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.